to
New York City.
New York City. My first time in New York City ever. How many times have you been?
I don't know, a lot.
A lot. I mean, so much that I can't count.
Probably 20.
Wow. So we're about to take off soon. I've been on the plane in like 4 years, I think. Yeah, 3 or 4 years. So, ready for an adventure. It's not that full, the plane.
No, probably half.
Alright, check in soon. I mean, still in the plane, but we landed. Oh, look at New York, it's so beautiful.
That's New Jersey.
Oh. Got back on, well, just in time, and now we're going to be heading on to the subway thing. I don't know. We'll see. We're on the transit, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're on the transit. It's tight. It's super
nice out.
Oh yeah, just wait till you see this. My first look of New York City. Found this little diner.
You're so happy about it.
We'll see. Beckham got his pizza.
He's happy. He's got some New York pizza. I should have just got that.
I'm just getting a salad, so I don't know why you didn't. Trying to make me happy, I guess. Day 2 in New York City. Woo, it's bright. It's supposed to be the hottest day that we're here. So I'm wearing a dress. Try to beat the heat. We're going to the vessel right now. It's amazing. I don't even know what it is, but take a look. We're going inside that. Fake people. I thought they were all real. Subway's fun. It's like a ride. This is what I'm wearing. A little bodysuit.
This is what I'm wearing. Local purple shirt.
Military man. beautiful. And I haven't even seen all of it.
You're on a minute.
Wow, that is gorgeous. Let's take a look at this. Oh my god. Looks like the inside of a whale. But a dead whale.
That's cool.
So after getting my Starbucks, we're at the New York Stock Exchange. Here's the big flag that's up. It's like a little city here. It's so cool. I mean, within itself. Now we're in line to go see fireworks. We've been probably trying to do this for over an hour. I mean, look at that. I mean, we're literally just standing here waiting. You probably can't see me, but after we got kicked out like 4 times to try to get on the New York side to watch fireworks, they kept saying everything's closed, you can't come, you can't come. So now we ended up in New Jersey. Got sushi, Whole Foods, they're right there. So we'll see how these fireworks are.
Isn't this great?
It's gorgeous, it's amazing. Day 3, New York City. We found this organic smoothie place for breakfast. And later today we're gonna go on a helicopter and we get a dangle out of it. Stop. How's your smoothie?
It's fruity.
Mine's peanut buttery. I got, try to get a little more protein instead of like just fruit because we're gonna be gone a long time. We walked 11 miles yesterday and 7 miles the day before, so that doesn't include biking.